The Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission says it is intensifying oversight of the implementation of SCADA project to address recurring incidents of grid collapse, which it says has become a national embarrassment. The Commission said this at the annual seminar on legal issues in the regulation of the electricity sector for judges. TVC News correspondent Jake Adisa reports.
The nation's constitution and the recent Electricity Act empower states to enact their own electricity laws and establish local regulatory authorities. This introduces the potential for jurisdictional overlaps and regulatory conflict, and increasingly, courts are called upon to determine the scope of federal and state authority, reconcile competing regulatory frameworks, and ensure fidelity to the principle of legality.
My Lord, for the welcome remarks.
This is the justification for this capacity building for judges organized by the Electricity Regulatory Agency (NERC) and the National Judicial Council (NJI).
Effective adjudication on such matters will require the familiarization of my laws with not only the federal laws and NERC regulations, but also different state laws and regulatory instruments.
This institute will not fail its efforts towards organizing seminars, conferences, and workshops that will elongate our scope and enhance the expectation of our people on the judiciary.
The judiciary remains the central to the success of the reforms. Judicial interpretation will shape investors' confidence, ensure regulatory coherence, and balance commercial realities with the public interest.
The National Assembly promises to continue to foster reforms through legislative interventions.
This collaboration reflects an understanding that a functional electricity sector requires a judiciary that is knowledgeable on the technical, commercial, and regulatory realities of the sector.
For the Chief Justice of Nigeria, the electricity sector occupies a central position in the nation's economic and social development.
This seminar is a clear demonstration of that enduring commitment. It is intended to deepen judicial understanding of the legal frameworks governing electricity regulation, administrative compliance, and dispute resolution.
The theme for the 2026 seminar is Nigeria Electricity Market in Transition, Law, Regulation, and the Courts. Jake Adisa, TVC News, Abuja.